try to talk with local people, please open yourself, look farther than the media, because in all those places, even if some conflicts happen, there are people who live there, people who are ready to welcome you, people with free spirit, like Pakistani people. So don't judge people on the basis of media.
Question.
My name is Juliana and I come from Poland. And this is my little chicken hen. She's from Pakistan, but we don't know the name yet.
Mm. So, do you love the chicken?
I love too much. I love too much the chickens, and I used to have a chicken when I lived in Africa, and I treat them as pet, no food.
So, would you like to love to eat or just
No.
just keep it with you?
Keep it with me as a pet, and also get eggs.
Oh, eggs.
Yes.
Okay. It means your direct love is eggs.
Yes,
Yeah,
yes. Then also a pet.
okay.
Yeah.
So, tell me about your experience right now here. How many places you visit here, and how people found here, and what remain interesting over this journey here.
So I have visited Kalash Valley, and I spent beautiful time at Kalash Festival. And I also went to Islamabad, and now I went to Skardu area, and we're gonna explore the mountain hiking together with my friend Ali. And apart from that, I haven't visited other areas yet, but I plan to go back to Pakistan and also bring tourist groups. People are very hospitable, very friendly. I feel very welcomed in Pakistan. And always when I will think about Pakistani people, I will think about hospitality and their kindness.
So, what remain the difficult thing for you while you were traveling here?
Difficult thing a bit the transportation sometimes on some highways in the mountains. Very long time and a bit bumpy. So the journey were quite tiring, I would say. So, and also I had a food poison from the food. So that was, I think, that these were the hardest parts.
So, what about your view about the road condition here?
Depends. Some roads are better, and like in Islamabad, it's good. But if you go to the mountains area, it's a bit more complicated. I'm used to travel in quite bumpy roads, but those roads here are a bit challenging.
How many places you have visited in Pakistan apart from Chitral?
Chitral, and then Gilgistan, Skardu, and Islamabad, in the nature areas.
So,
Kalash Valley.
okay. So, which mountain you have visited?
We just gonna go to the mountains now. I haven't been hike. We're just gonna start now our proper hiking adventure.
And where you want to go?
We're gonna go to the Pakistani Yosemite.
Summit team.
No, Pakistani Yosemite.
I didn't get your point.
Pakistani Yosemite. It's a. I forgot the name. It was Nangma.
Nangma Valley.
Nangma Valley.
Nangma Valley. Oh, yeah, it's situated in Kande.
Yes. So there, and then we're gonna go to this Mansour Rock. But now there is a Japanese tourist that is missing there. They are looking for him.
Where missing?
Mansour Rock.
Mansour Rock. Oh, very sad.
Yeah.
So, have you any information? Are he's safe? Or,
we don't know. It's 5th day. They are looking for him. They cannot find him. So it's sad because 5 days it's hard to survive in this cold. But I hope he's okay.
Okay. Wish you for best of luck, and also your special message if you want to convey to your people.
To my people, thank you so much first of all, and the message I would say is not to always believe what media says. Please try to talk with local people. Please open yourself, look farther than the media, because in all those places, even if some conflicts happen, there are people who live there, people who are ready to welcome you, people with free spirit, like Pakistani people. So don't judge people on the basis of media.
Thank you very much.